Finish, Indrajit?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, now parentry always thought about a nuclear family and
Hmm.
means सचिन कहाँ गया? मैम एक बार सचिन से स्टार्ट करो। सचिन तू स्टार्ट करिए एक बार।
आ गया।
Good evening, friends.
गुड
Sachin,
इवनिंग।
start.
Yes,
He's
ma'am.
saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Dravid.
Modern generation, and I am going to talk about modern generation and generation before independence.
Okay.
In modern generation, after independence, there has been influence of government policy and globalization, nationalization, which create individual thoughts and luxury thoughts and pressure of population to form nuclear
Hmm.
family. But before independence there was no policy of government towards parents and many other things of personal life. So regionalism is there. Regionalism was there, and joint families, social values are more than modern times.
Hmm.
Nothing else.
And what else?
Okay.
And
And
what
nothing
else?
else.
That. Okay. Okay. Indrajit.
Okay.
Yes. Continue.
Ma'am, as
Yeah.
like I said rightly, in early time the many all work are done by the people in seeing the effect on whole society and consider not not the every work is taken as the personal evaluation, as they always want to seek the benefits of all member in a village or uh, in any groups. As we can see in movies nowadays, there is only really only we can see a modern 13 only movie now, because now all people are wanted to be nuclear and to be personal growth only, not focus on the other people of the society. uh, uh, they all
Okay.
companies are now all person, yeah, all in a family also, everyone everyone see that I I have to become this, and I have my salaries I have to only increase my salary so that my life is luxurious. But in early time, they will take the to want to do work like that, other people can also get benefits.
Okay.
And
Okay.
that,
That is nice. Okay, that is nice. Now we'll do modals. Okay. Now basically, what are modals? Can you tell me, Sachin? Can you tell me what exactly modal is?
I don't know, ma'am, about modals exactly meaning, but I know it is a type of verb.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Nothing else, ma'am.
Indrajit.
verb which emphasize the sentence view.
Yes. It is used to indicate modality. Okay. It is used to indicate any kind of modality. It is an auxiliary verb. Okay. Auxiliary verb means helping verb. It is a helping verb. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
For example, yeah, modals basically they add meaning to the anything to the main verb. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
And yes. So the first modal is can. Okay. So can basically is used in six ways. Okay. One is ability to do something, something that you already possess an ability. Like for example, Indrajit can run fast. Okay, he has the ability of running fast. Sachin, you can drive a car. Sachin already possesses that ability to drive a car. So something that is your ability over there can is used. Okay. Then is in permission form. You are asking some permission. So how will you make permission? के लिए how will you make you use can? Tell me, Sachin.
Mm, what, ma'am?
Permission के लिए how will you use can? Can you give me an example?
Mm,
Like we have to seek a permission in an informal environment, not in a formal environment, but in informal environment. We use can. For example, can I go to the cinema? Or can you wait? Or sorry, can I go to the washroom? Okay.
yes,
So
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
you're asking permission, you're seeking permission in a non-formal way. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
over there, can is also used. Okay. Then to request something, to request. For example, can you please pass me a glass of water? Okay. Over there, can is used. Okay. Can you lend me?
Okay.
Yeah. Can you lend me your car for some days? Okay. Over there,
Okay.
can is again used. Yes. And then for offer or for suggesting something. So for suggestion, can is used like you suggesting someone. Like if I am suggesting Indrajit, Indrajit, that Indrajit, you can go to hill station this May. So I am suggesting that he should go to hill station. He can go to hill station this May, this summers. Okay.
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
am suggesting something. Yes. So over there also can is used. Okay. Suggest something.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Then possibility. In possibility also can is used. For example, I am telling you a possibility like it can get hotter now. It can get hotter in coming months. In May, June, it can get hot, even more hot. So there's a possibility that in coming months it will get hot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the 6 ways in which can is used. Okay. So now
Yes,
make
ma'am.
sentence. Yeah. Now make sentences using can.
I can able to speak English.
Yes.
I can purchase a car after 1 years. After 1 year, ma'am.
I can.
I can purchase a car after 1 year.
Mhm.
I
Okay. Okay.
I can give you pen. I can
Mhm.
take your pens.
Okay.
Can I take your pen?
Okay, okay,
Can
ma'am.
I take your pen? Okay. Okay. Then request. Make a sentence. Can have a request if you are requesting someone.
Sachin, can you give me your pen like this, ma'am?
Okay.
Can I sit
Sachin,
here?
please can you give me a pen? Yes. Can I sit here?
Can
Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Can you?
could
Yes, ma'am.
is basically the second modal is, yeah. Now, second modal is could. Could is anything that is done in the past. Okay. That any ability or anything that you have already done in the past. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Like, for example, I could speak very well English when I was 10 years old. That means now you cannot, but earlier when you were 10 years old, then you could have, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
You could have spoken like very good English, but now you find it little tough. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So that is anything that is done in the past. Okay.
But not in present.
Not in present. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Like for example, I could have lended you a car. However, I have to go. I had to go. Okay. Means I could have lent you a car. मैं आपको दे सकता था, but अभी नहीं दे सकता because मुझे खुद जाना है. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now the third is may. Okay. The third modal is may. Okay. Sachin, what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
may? What is may? May means shayad.
Ask permission.
Yes. It is used for permission. It is used for possibility also. It is used for possibility also. Like it may rain. Okay. It may rain today. Okay. Permission के लिए आता है may I go, may I end the class, may I go. ये आपका permission के लिए आएगा. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
देन अगर आप किसी को सजेस्ट कर रहे हो, मे आई सजेस्ट यू दिस और मे आई सजेस्ट यू अ वंडरफुल प्लेस टू गो. ओके, दैट
Ma'am,
अगेन यू आर सजेस्टिंग.
it is same like can, but it is in formal ways and can is in
Yes,
informal ways.
informal way. Yes, yes. But normally in conversations, normally in real life conversations, we use may. We hardly use can. We normally use may. In normal conversation, we use the modal may more often than can.
Yeah, ma'am, that it shows some respect and way of talking is nice.
Yes. Yes. Even to younger people, we use nowadays in conversation, we use may because it shows that you're caring for that person.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And the next one is may. May means shayad. Okay. So again, it is used for possibility. Possibility as in it may rain today. Okay. When you are seeking permission, uh, you are asking something. You're seeking permission.
Ma'am,
information
can I
that
speak?
may I?
Ma'am, ma'am, it
Yeah,
may
tell
late.
me. Yeah, yeah.
It may late train. Can I speak?
Uh, the train may be late. The train
Okay,
may
okay,
be
ma'am.
late today, or the train may be late in the evening.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And what is the difference between might and may? Might is also shayad, but might is less possibility. Okay. Like if I tell the train might be late, means 90% it will be late. Okay. It is less possible than may. Okay. May means yes, it is 100% sure that the train would be late. Okay, Sachin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. For example, it might rain today and it may rain today. Okay. It might rain today means there's a lesser possibility that it will rain. But if you say it may rain, means it is higher possibility that yes, it will rain. So may is always on a higher possibility.
मैम इस पे मैं गूगल क्रोम पे इस पे उल्टा दिया हुआ था। मैंने उसी दिन सर्च किया था तब कि माइट जो है लार्ज पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए, मे लेस पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए।
Hmm, एक सेकेंड। नहीं, माइट जो होता है दैट इज लेस पॉसिबल।
ओके मैम।
मे होता है ज्यादा ज्यादा पॉसिबल। फिर भी मैं एक बार चेक कर लूंगी, जहां तक मेरी नॉलेज कहती है वो है कि जो माइट है वो लेस पॉसिबल होता है, और जो मे हम यूज करते हैं वो हायर पॉसिबिलिटी होती है। फिर भी मैं एक बार चेक कर लूंगी।
ओके मैम।
हाँ, ठीक है। ये आपने कहाँ पर चेक किया था?
मैम गूगल पे।
ठीक है, मैं एक बार चेक करके फिर आपको। देन मस्ट, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मस्ट?
Necessary, ma'am.
श्योर मैम।
यस, मस्ट इज बेसिकली आप इम्फेसाइज कर रहे हो, किसी भी चीज को इम्फेसिस दे रहे हो। ठीक है, कोई भी नेसेसरी है, ठीक है, दैट यू मस्ट गो टू द डॉक्टर। ओके, यू मस्ट विजिट द डॉक्टर मीन्स आपको नेसेसरी है डॉक्टर को विजिट करना। ठीक है, मस्ट, समथिंग विच इज नेसेसरी, समथिंग विच यू आर emphasizing on. Okay. Now make sentences with can, could and may, might and must. कोई भी एक सिचुएशन ले लीजिए स्टोरी फॉर्म में और उसको आप सेंटेंस बनाएं।
ओके मैम।
यस। Sachin, are you making?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या मैम?
सचिन को बोल रही हूँ। Are you making sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
I have
Finished?
formed sentence. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, tell me.
There are two boys. Perhaps they might be affected
Hmm.
from corona. Therefore, they
Okay.
must need help. We should call
Hmm.
ambulance so
Hmm.
that they can go to hospital for their treatment. I think they could not take precaution before. Hence, they are
Okay.
affected from this virus.
Okay.
That's all, ma'am. I have used all models which you have
All
teach.
all modal. Yes. Must. Where did you use must?
Yes, ma'am. Must. They
In
must.
which of the
Therefore,
sentence
they
you?
must need.
Okay. There.
Ma'am, I have used. Therefore, they must need help,
Okay. Okay.
and
Very nice.
they could. I used can, must, might be.
Yeah. Okay. Indrajit, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, when I was in school, I could not study well. If I focus at
Mm-hmm.
that time, then maybe I am an IITN now rather than METN.
Mm-hmm.
We must have to focus earlier so that we can't feel guilty all life.
Mm-hmm.
हम बस अभी इतना ही बनाए.
Okay. Now the next modal is ought to. Ought. OUGHT. What do you mean by ought? Ought is something that is mandatory. It is more than must. Okay. It is kind of an order. Okay. Like
Yes,
you
ma'am.
ought to attend the classes. Means come what may, you have to attend the classes. It is an order kind of a thing. It is more
It is
emphasis
a
is
type of duty.
on
Duty.
yes, yes. It is an obligation. It is a duty. Yes, that you ought to attend the classes. Okay, you ought to come to the office no matter what. Okay, so it is
Yes, ma'am.
mandatory. Okay, yes, and then there's another modal called should. Okay, should means it is like it is called chahiye. Basically, it is not an obligatory. It is you're not putting in emphasis. Like if I say you should, Sachin, you should be regular. Okay, means
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is
Yes, ma'am.
good that if you are regular with your classes. Okay, it is not
Yes, ma'am.
mandatory, but it will be good if you will be little more regular. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
like
From
you should,
tomorrow, I
yes,
will
you
be regular.
yeah. Now, you should switch off the light when you leave the room. Means it is good to
Yes.
switch off the light when you leave the room. It is not mandatory, but it is good that if you can, switch off the light. So you should switch off the
It is
light
a
when
type of suggestion. Suggestion, ma'am.
Suggestion
it
or
is
advice?
it is
Advice.
suggest yes, it is suggestion or advice, but it is not you're not mandatory to any person. It is not mandatory. Like so, it is in a very light form that you should take breakfast in the morning. You know, it's good for your health. Okay, so it's like that. You should do everything. You should sleep on time. Now, when I say you must sleep on time, that means I am putting emphasis that okay, you must sleep on time. It is good for health, or you must sleep at 9 o'clock. So I'm putting an emphasis, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
over there. And you ought to sleep at 9 o'clock means I am giving you an order that okay, you ought to. There's no if and but. You have to by hook or by crook. You have to sleep at 9 o'clock. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then there's another modal called need not to. Need not to. What is that? Need not to means it is not important. It is not
जरूरी
necessary.
नहीं.
Yes, it is कोई जरूरी नहीं है. Like you need not go. You need not attend online classes. It is not mandatory. You know, or you need not go to the supermarket if you are not feeling well. Somebody else will go. Okay, means इतना जरूरी नहीं है. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now you have to make sentences using should, you need not to, and ought to. Okay. And would will do tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Would will have to will do tomorrow. Okay. So right now make sentences with ought, should, and need not to.
मैं आज बाकी बच्चे कहाँ गए?
बाकी बच्चे कोई थे ही नहीं, कहाँ गए? कॉन्फ्रेंसी, she has finished her course. Okay. Then
बस
Pooja, she's not feeling well. She's having fever. Divya, she's also not feeling well. She's having fever. Then Amod has shifted his batch to Malvika ma'am. Then Tariq has shifted his batch to Malvika ma'am. और कोई बच्चे थे ही नहीं आपके क्लास में, बस प्रिंसी का कोर्स खत्म हो गया था
मैम,
और
मेरे को तो
सचिन ने
कोई
एक्सटेंड करा लिया, नहीं कोर्स का खत्म।
बस इतने ही थे मैम, हम बहुत सारे तो थे, मतलब 7 to 8 बैच में भी और बच्चे
नहीं
थे।
वो नहीं, नहीं वो आपको इसलिए लग रहा है क्योंकि मैं कंबाइन करके पढ़ाती थी। ऑफलाइन कंबाइन होता था 6:30 to 7:30, देन 7 to 8। उसमें महक, शिवम, बाकी सारे बच्चे होते थे। तो शिवम एंड महक, दे आर ऑन लीव, दे आर बोथ हस्बैंड वाइफ, दे आर ऑन लीव। ओके। एंड बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं, दे आर ऑन लीव, लाइक अभिषेक इज ऑन लीव। Okay. Then Anand, he cannot attend online classes. So that was, there's a lot of they have some have gone to their hometown because lockdown has happened. So they are in their hometown. Like आपके एक बैच में था, राहुल था, he was attending. He is not attending online classes. He is waiting कि offline हो जाए.
मैम उसका
Offline
नाम
will
क्या
not happen.
मैम उसका नाम क्या था जो सबसे तेज आवाज में बोलती थी और कहती थी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है?
Minakshi.
हाँ मैम, वो उसका क्या हुआ?
Minakshi. Yeah. She is waiting for offline class to happen. She cannot understand online. So
ओके।
yeah, but offline things will not happen right now. Maybe like it will take time. Offline तो अभी नहीं होगा. It will take time. Maybe in the month of May, June it might, but most likely it will not be right now. Right now it will be online only.
ओके मैम।
Yeah. So, anyways, new people are joining in. आपके batch में भी कल परसों में new people will be joining in. So don't worry. We'll be having, but at least actually it's good, because online में क्या होता है, जितने बच्चे आ जाए उतने प्रॉब्लम होती है, because each and every person will not get time, that much of time, plus network issue होता है, so सुनने में प्रॉब्लम होता है। तो अगर आपके बैच में let's say अभी आप दो हो, दो और आ जाए, that is more than enough.
हाँ मैम, 4-5 बच्चे होते हैं ना तो एक कंपटीशन लेवल भी अच्छा लगता है मैम, बात करते हुए भी सही लगता है।
हाँ, बट ऑनलाइन में मिनिमम मतलब मैक्सिमम जो हम लोग लेते हैं दैट इज 4 to 5, बिकॉज फिर क्या होता है, अब 1 hour की क्लास होती है, 1 hour की क्लास में एवरी पर्सन हैज टू बी जस्टिफाइड ना, सो इसलिए हम लोग बैच डिवाइड करके एटलीस्ट वी टेक मिनिमम, मैक्सिमम जो हमारा जाता है वो 4 to 5 जाता है, उससे ज्यादा हम नहीं लेते। लाइक इन माय मॉर्निंग बैच आई हैव 7 people.
ओके मैम। मैम मॉर्निंग बैच
या
कितने बजे का आपका?
8 o'clock morning, but that is basic, I mean that is beginner to basic.
ओके मैम।
Yeah, I start 8 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes you can join, like you can take double classes, like 7 to 8, then 8 to 9, because 8 to 9 में भी बच्चे आ रहे हैं. So sometimes when you have time, then you can take 7 to 8 and 8 to 9 also. That is no problem.
ओके मैम।
Yeah. So you now make sentences with ought to, should, need not to. Make?
नहीं मैम, अभी नहीं बना।
Okay, बना लो जल्दी. Sachin, your mate?
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed.
Yes, tell me.
When I was in fourth year, I was suggested by teacher that I should concentrate on study and need not waste time on internet surfing. And
Okay.
uh, I could not make sentence on out, ma'am.
Okay. Ought is something which is very mandatory. You know, it is
Du-
like no, you like I gave you an example like
Soldier
you ought
out
to
to follow duty. Ma'am,
yes,
soldier
you ought
out
to
to follow his commander.
soldiers ought to follow
His
their
commander.
commanders. Yes, yes, very nice. Okay. Indrajit, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Sachin, you ought to be sleep at 9 p.m. so that you not be late again.
Okay.
मैम गलती बताना मैम लास्ट लाइन शायद गलत है
दिखाओ फिर से बोलना है सचिन
सचिन you ought to be sleep at 9 p.m. so
you
that
ought you no, you ought to sleep not ought to be nahi you ought to sleep
okay ma'am
yes
so that uh, did, you did not be late again.
Sachin you need to you ought to sleep at 9 so
9
that
p.m.
yeah 9 p.m. so that
You did not be late again.
so that you are not
You are
so
not.
that you are not yes
You are not late again.
yes so that you are not late again
Okay, ma'am. Next, uh, and use of use of phone
and
need not to be must for your career.
for your career
Yes, ma'am. Career.
okay okay
Sentence is proper now, ma'am.
yeah it is proper
And next one, from tomorrow, you should take spiritual classes for good mind health.
okay
यहाँ should का भी सही है ना
okay
मैम यूज
yes this is good okay ought should need not to नहीं बनाया
बनाया था मैम मैंने बीच में बोला था मैम दोबारा बोल रहा हूँ
need not to का बताओ
and use of phone need not
हम्म
to be must for your career.
इसका मतलब क्या बोल रहे हो आप हिंदी में बताओ
मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि ये फोन का यूज करना जरूरी नहीं है तेरे करियर के लिए फोन का यूज जरूरी नहीं है तेरे करियर के लिए
ओके टू यूज द फोन जस्ट अ सेकंड मैं बनाती हूँ you need not use mobile phones you need not use mobile phones
ओके मैम
since they are of no use in later stages of life in your career
हम राइट करना एक बार मैं इसमें
You
चैट
need
बॉक्स में
not. You need not. You need not
यू
use mobile phones
ऑन
as it is of no use for career. बट करियर के लिए तो जरूरी होता है मोबाइल फोन.
अब मुझे लाइन बनाना था.
Okay.
मैम सचिन को कमांड दे रहा था मैं पहले.
Okay. Now, your homework for tomorrow is you need to prepare impact of COVID-19 on Indian economy, specifically
Yes, ma'am.
on Indian economy.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके मैम.
So, what has been the impact, overall impact, like last year and now? What has been the impact of COVID-19 on Indian economy? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you'll prepare, and tomorrow we'll use other modals also, like would have, could have. We'll use this.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, okay. Now I'm ending the class. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.